Now that we're in November in New South Wales, spring has really sprung and the gardens are really looking phenomenal. Here's some tips for your garden for this month. November is a great time to plant turf. Sawalter turf is probably one of the best ones you can buy. It's an Australian bred turf that's great in full sun and shade. It doesn't need a lot of water and it's salt tolerant, so it'll grow near the coast, and it is low maintenance, so it doesn't need a lot of mowing or fertilising. Now is a great time to plant hydrangeas. They've just got over their winter dormancy and they'll be coming into flower soon, and the flowers are fantastic. They can be picked and put inside. Another plant is petunia. They put on a magnificent display, particularly in full sun. For shady spots, plant fuchsias. It's also the perfect time to plant calibrachoa, salvia and agapanthus. They make a great border plant and are very, very hardy. Don't forget about the veggie garden. Now's the best time to plant chilies, and they love the warm weather. If you've got a hot sunny spot in the veggie garden, plant pumpkins. They'll do really well. Tomatoes will thrive. Plant carrot seeds straight into the ground. And if you haven't got a few citrus, then it's time you did. Plant in pots or in the ground. Lemons and limes are the ideal choice. In November, there are heaps of veggies that we can pick, such as tomato, cucumber, leeks, new season potatoes, zucchinis, celery, and of course our herbs. November is a great time to get into your garden and do some maintenance, and here's a few tips. Give your lawn a deep watering at least once a week and apply a soil wetting agent every couple of months to allow the water to penetrate the root zone. Change the cutting height and cut as high as possible. This will help shade the roots and reduce the loss of water from the soil. Splash a complete fertiliser around your veggie patch and summer flowering annuals. But don't do this on a hot day as it will burn the plants. Mulch around the veggie garden ready for summer. Lucerne and pea straw are great options for the veggie patch. Be sure to monitor the water needs of the citrus and fruit trees. They need water to produce. Don't waste the moment. Get out into the garden this November. There's plenty to do and it's great exercise. Don't forget, we've got heaps of quality plants. Come in and talk to us. We'll be happy to help you out. Click here for more gardening advice, or click here to go back to the website.